Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at the date function EOMonth, which calculates the last day of the month. Please consider subscribing to the channel, would truly appreciate it.
The EOMonth has two parameters. The first parameter is the start date. Now the start date can be any valid date. The second parameter is optional, and it is the number of months away from the start date. Not providing one and saying 0 is the same. It's the same period. Let's see what prints out when we do those two. As you can see, the values are the same. So not supplying a second parameter and setting the second parameter 0 equates to the same value. In the next example, we look at EOMonth and we get the get date, and we're going to go forward 1 month and previous 1 month. And you can see that this month is June, so future is 7, previous is 5. In the last example, we are looking at 12 months, and you can see I'm at 22/6 and 26. So those were the 3 examples for you on how to use EOMonth. Now we have something that really consumes it. And you can see here that I'm going to be looking at the human resources database. And with the human resources database, we have one column that we're really going to be using here, modified date. And you can see here, I'm going to be saying, give me the modified date, and then only give me the year part of that. And you can see the modified date here. So I want the year only, so 2008, the month, 2004, the day, the 30th. Then EOMonth of that date, and we just learned what 0 does. That means give me this current time. So for this period, April, what is the last day of April? That's what this command is going to do. Now this next command on line 42, study that for a moment. You can see that I'm using EOMonth with a -1. I'm going to go back 1 month, so from 4 to 3. And then I'm saying, oh, add 1 day to that value. So if I'm at 3/31 and I add a day, that puts me at April the 1st. Very good. So let's execute this select statement, show you the data, and there you have it. The year, month, day, the last day of the month, the first day of the month.
Please consider subscribing to the channel, would truly appreciate it.